Hello, cartoon animators fan. I like to play a game. For years, you wanted to create your own twisted, terrifying animations. You dream of bringing your favorite scare movie characters to life. But you didn't know where to start. But now you can. Tivo Studios is giving you the chance to turn your horror visions into reality. They got me, the infamous Jig Saw, completely with animate wheels on my trust tricycle. Why limit your scares to Halloween when you could keep the terror rolling all the way to Christmas? So, if you're ready to bring the fear, make it animated. Go to Tivo Studios now